So today we are staying at the Residence Inn here in Myrtle Beach, and it is right on the ocean. So let's take a look at the room and talk about this place and whether we come back or not.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me, cocked your head to the side and said I'm angry. 5 days since you laughed at me, saying get that together, come back and see me. 3 days since the living room, I realized it's all my fault but couldn't tell you. Yesterday you'd forgiven me, but it'll still be 2 days till I say I'm sorry.
Hold it now and watch a hoodwink. Does it make you stop think? You'll think you're looking at Aquaman. I summon fish to the dish, although I like the chalet Swiss. I like the sushi cause it's never touch a frying pan. Hot like wasabi when I bust rhymes. Speak like Leanne rhymes because I'm
We are in room 1502, the Residence Inn on the ocean here in Myrtle Beach. Walk in, we have got a full kitchen. We'll take a look at this here in a second. Let's take a look at this room. So this is a really good sized room. Big TV, probably close to a 50-inch TV, looks like there. Got a nice little L-shaped couch. The ladies are getting comfy in bed.
Comfy bed.
Is it a comfy bed? Awesome, yeah. We have got a view of the ocean. We'll take a look at that in the morning when it's not so dark. But just plenty of room. Yeah, I really like this. If you are looking to stay for more than a few days, you might want to really take this into consideration. You got a full kitchen. You got, dishwasher there. Full size fridge, that's super nice. Little cooktop. Yeah, you got everything you need. Let's see if we can find some cups and plates. There's no cups or plates in that. Here we go. A bunch of bowls and plates and cups. You can do a little baking while you're here if you want. So yeah, nice setup. Bathroom is off to the right. Plenty of room. You're not gonna have, some bathrooms are really tight on space. That is not the case. Good sized shower there too. So yeah, I really like this setup. Let's check out the balcony now that it's daylight, and it is a great view. Great view of the beach. You can see just about everything up here. You got plenty of space on this balcony too, which is super nice. It's not a small balcony at all, so you can really enjoy the weather and the ocean, everything. It's great. So when you arrive here, just so you know, you're gonna have to go up about 3 or 4 levels in the parking deck, and then you'll find registration right there. So just so you know, you gotta go up a few levels to get to registration. So one of my favorite things about the Residence Inn is the hallways of all things. And as you can see, you got these huge windows. It's really nice to be able to just kind of see everything. And if you are flying into Myrtle Beach, the airport is right there. So you're probably about a mile from the airport from the Residence Inn here. So real close. So you can bring your pets here. There's a $150 fee if you do so. And they got these cool little lanyards you can put on the door to let the people know that you have pets inside, which I don't think we've ever really seen at other hotels before.
So the pools?
So the pools are great. There's 2 of them and a small splash pad, but they're even better because you have a little bit of an ocean view, but they're slightly one's more covered than the other, but they're also heated to a lovely 86 degrees. So Evelyn and I were able to actually get in it for a little bit, which was super nice. Breakfast was unmatched.
Breakfast was the bomb.
That iced coffee was amazing, and their buffet did not disappoint.
So really the best part of the Residence Inn here is the direct access to the beach. You're literally 100 feet and you are right here. And it is a beautiful day on the beach here in Myrtle Beach. And if you are someone who loves piers, I believe that is the Spring Maid Pier down there. I could be wrong. But yeah, so just maybe half mile and you are right on the pier there. So are we coming back to the Residence Inn in Myrtle Beach?
Guaranteed.
This place is awesome.
So nice.
It's, you know, we're gonna do our top 5 places to stay in Myrtle Beach for
isn't it?
2025.
This is for sure.
This has a chance to be like number
Do
1.
you think it's number 1? Number 1? Maybe. I don't think so.
So, you have any questions about staying here? Let us know, and yeah, we like it.
All right, bye, y'all.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me. Threw your arms in the air and said you're crazy. 5 days since you tackled me. I still got the red burns on both my knees. It's been